Welcome to Eric's Graphics. I am Eric, and my mission is to make business feel more heartfelt. Hey guys, today I've got a special video. So one of the viewers asked for showing my setup. So basically his question was, Eric, I want to know what's happening behind the scenes. And this is what this video is about, showing you what's happening behind the screens. So, starting with the first thing, I use a notebook, a sketchbook more appropriately called, and it's just a regular one. I think it's about €6 per piece. It's got 28 pages. I do like the quality of the paper, 135 grams per square meter, and it's an A3 size. It's large enough for me to make my drawings. So for me, this notebook has become very, very important because it's basically capturing everything that I've made up to now and what I'm going to make. Next up, pens. So I can tell you so much stuff about pens. I'm really a pen lover, and here's my set of pens. That's maybe a topic for another video, but the pen that you will always see me use is this one. It's the Outliner from Neuland. Distinctively yellow. And now we're going to really pull the curtain down. We're going to see how my setup looks like. I already apologize for how the tidiness of my working space. So here it goes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take out my iPhone out of the holder. There we go. And I'm going to start shooting. So first thing you see me do here is jiggling around with a wire. This wire is attached to an external microphone, actually this one. And the reason why it is pointed at the drawing is that it can capture whatever sounds I make scribbling on the paper. I quite like that sound in the videos, and I try to capture it. Next part is what you see here, and that's what you can. I'm gonna have a nice effect here. This is my iPad, and it's actually a remote for my iPhone. And what I mean with that is that I'm using Filmic Pro as an app to shoot my videos, and it has an option to use your iPad as a remote to control white balance, exposure, focus, that sort of stuff. So I don't have to jiggle around with my iPhone all the time while it is in my holder, which is the next thing I'm going to show you. So this fancy holder is the thing that's holding my iPhone in place above the notebook so I can shoot my videos. Now the next part is we're getting a bit fancier now. I like to shoot B-roll. B-roll, that is the additional feature footage to just to make your video a little bit more interesting. And how do I shoot that? I use my regular webcam. I mount it on a dolly, and the dolly can move. So I'm going to demonstrate that for you now. So that dolly can move at different speeds, and it can capture me drawing. So where does the signal go of the webcam? So the webcam is recording, and it goes onto my MacBook, and that way I can use that footage to put that into my videos. What else can I show you? Like sometimes I use a tripod. It's not a very heavy tripod, it's just a tripod for smartphones. I have some show notes. I always present with some show notes, nicely put outside the framing of the camera, and well, yeah, that's about it. Thank you very much for watching my video. I love making these. Please leave a like and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, click on the little bell to get notified about new videos I'm making. See you soon in my next video. Take care!